Hello everyone. There's a nip in the air and the weather is changing outside. So if the weather is changing outside, the body weather is also changing. Now as we are setting it into the winters, so there is a lot of fever, cold, cough spreading around. You must have noted that in your family. So now how to take care of it? Hello again, I am Gagan Kaur Thukral, co-founder of Care Heal Humanity Institute, Saket, New Delhi. So today I am going to tell you a little something about a little pressure point which can help you get relief from fever, cold, cough, sudden throat infections very easily. And where is this point located? This is called the acupressure point, LI4. Now this point is very easy to locate. Take any of your hand. So when you join your thumb with the index finger, there is a little mountain formed here, right here. So you have to press this point clockwise for 1 minute and then again anti-clockwise for 1 minute. So you can do this during the day and anytime, like there is no restriction when you can do this. And you can also put a mutter seed here. Mutter is like we can use the chickpea or we can use the sukha mutter, the dried peas. Simply take a doctor's tape, a single mutter seed and put it on the mountain of your hand like this. Very easy, and you just keep on pressing it for 1-2 minutes like this, and it is definitely going to help you in the fever, the cold, cough, throat infection, and it's a excellent point for any kind of pain in the body. If you have pain in the neck, if you have pain in the shoulder, knees, leg pain, anywhere, because this is also called the analgesic point. So friends, please make use of this point during this changing weather and also take away any kind of pain. So see you next time with another pressure point, and in the meantime, please do apply this point in case you have fever or anybody else in the family has fever. Just one precaution for pregnant ladies, they are not supposed to apply pressure on this point or apply any kind of seed on this point. So thank you so much. See you again. Thank you.